Hey friends, Stylist Intel here, and today I'm going to talk about Demi. Have you seen these online? This is like nothing else when it comes to makeup, and it is filtering and color correcting your skin, leaving no texture. So it's not the easiest thing to learn, but once you learn it and you don't want texture, or if you have sunspots or blemishes or dark circles under your eyes and nothing else seems to work, this may be a solution for you. So I'm going to talk about this, and if you're interested, please stay tuned. And in the meantime, like and subscribe to my channel and my posts, because it all helps and you don't want to miss anything I might want to share. So with these edits, you can do some color correcting on your skin. It's very different than traditional makeup because you use very little, and you are using it to get rid of some of your like dark circles under your eyes and where you don't want texture. So if you've been using concealer or stuff and you're getting too much texture, it's not actually getting rid of those blemishes, sunspots, other things you may have, acne, that you want to cover up. This technique and color science is really quite cool. So I'm going to start with RO1, and you're just going to take this little brush, is the spot brush, and it's got a very fine end to it, and you're just going to tap that into your product. And RO1 filters excess purple and blue. So a lot of us have purple and blue under our eyes, right there, veins, broken capillaries, things like that. I'm just going to dab. Like I just dabbed very little and blend that out. And that brightened that up. Like, you do not put this over your entire face. You don't want to do your whole makeup and then add this either. You're just going to do this on its own. So can you see the difference between that dark purple and that dark purple? This one's not there anymore. So then I'm going to use RO1 in this filter to filter some blue. So I have more blue in this area, and so if it's dark and shadowy, it's a blue color. So then I'm gonna just tap some of this in there. Like that. See, and I didn't get that area. So Demi can be painfully time consuming if you want to do your whole face. But once you know what you want to mark up, it leaves like zero texture. So it looks like you have no makeup on, which is really nice. Then I'm going to go to O3, which filters blue on excess blue. So I'm just going to say if I have any extra here, I'm going to filter some of that away. And then I have RO1 here, and it's green blue. So green blue is really good on like scars. So like here I have some scars. I don't know if you can see them. But I have acne scars that always drive me nuts. And look, it just filters. So here, if we can look, this eye is brighter. I don't have any other foundations on yet. and I don't need to put any of my 3D foundation in that area. Now I can avoid it because I've brightened under the eye and I've taken that away. So can you see the visible difference, difference in those two? So it depends on the texture, not on the texture, on the color of the blemish or the blue or the broken capillaries you have, of what you'd color correct. I'd recommend it with the brush, and if you have dark under eyes, it's just a matter of which colors you put where, and you can totally have fun and some creativity with that. So I'll quickly do the other eye and even it out. Okay, so that's a big difference. So now I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face with my 3D foundation, and then I'll be done for this. I've done my whole face, and I started with the 3D edits, the Demi, under my eyes, and did the lightening and got rid of my dark circles. Works like a hot damn, love it. I use the 3D foundation everywhere else, and I love the look, and it's easy. So if this is something you're interested in, have questions, reach out, ask. I'm here to help. And if not, just click on the links below, and you can get this for yourself and walk yourself through a tutorial, and it's great. So until next time, live, love, learn, and laugh.